Hi, this is Josh, a pharmacist with pharmacisttips.com, here to discuss a common question. Ibuprofen, brand name Motrin and Advil, is it a blood thinner? If you do a search on the internet, you'll get mixed answers. So I'm going to tell you my answer. I agree with the makers of Advil. This is from Advilcom. Advil and ibuprofen is not a blood thinner. It's an NSAID, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, and people who are taking blood thinners would use it with caution. Typically, it is not going to be used with blood thinners. However, there may be certain situations where your healthcare provider deems it's appropriate. In addition, Advil and Motrin, ibuprofen may need to be discontinued before and for a certain period after surgery as it can impact blood clotting. Let's define what is meant by blood thinner typically. Typically, when someone says blood thinner, they're referring to either anticoagulant medication or antiplatelet medications. Those are used to prevent blood clots. Certain people have health conditions that put them at higher risk of heart attack and stroke. They take these medications to prevent that. You'll sometimes see other people use it for short periods of time following surgery or other issues that may put them at a short-term risk of clots as well. On the other hand, NSAIDs, which ibuprofen is an NSAID, it's used to treat inflammation, pain, fever. We see it used for arthritis and things of that nature. We do need to be cautious of NSAID use. Make sure we're using the lowest effective dose for the shortest time period possible. Some people with chronic conditions do take these for years without having any issues, but it needs to be monitored by a healthcare provider. Taking NSAIDs can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. There is a risk of bleeding in the GI tract, in the stomach, in the intestines. Certain people with kidney function problems should generally not take an NSAID unless their healthcare provider determines it's appropriate, and NSAIDs can raise blood pressure. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope you appreciated the information. I'd appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Do remember, as with all of my videos, this is for informational purposes only, and it's not a substitute for your healthcare provider.